Today we're going to take a look at the Curt T-connector vehicle wiring harness with the 4-way flat trailer connector. This is a custom fit part. It is designed to fit the 2016 and newer Hyundai Sonata vehicles. And on a custom fit part, I always like to recommend for you to go to our website, use our fit guide, put in your year and model vehicle, and it'll show you if this will work for your application. Now this harness will provide this 4-way flat trailer connector at the back of your vehicle to power your trailer's signal lights. It is compatible with 5-pole, 6-pole, 7-pole adapters that we do sell separately on our website. This does connect very quickly and easily. Basically, you just locate your connection points, which are in the rear cargo area behind the taillights. Plug in these T-connectors, one on each side, one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side. Have a white wire here with an eyelet on it, just ground that white wire, and then your black wire here will run to your vehicle's battery to supply power to the converter. And it does include this taillight converter, this black box here. This is to ensure that your vehicle's wiring will match that of your trailer. It is a power module, that's why you would connect it directly to your battery, and that's to avoid overloading your vehicle's electrical system. This converter is constructed using SMT technology, which is surface mount technology. Gives you more consistent, reliable performance. It'll maximize your trailer light yield and intensity while producing minimal heat, and it'll even ensure superior operation in any rough road conditions. If you notice, it does come with this dust cap for the 4-way that you can just attach to the 4-way itself, and then just leave it on there, and then when you're not plugged into your trailer, just put that cover over there and it'll protect those terminals from any damage or from the elements. This harness is made in the USA. A few specs on it. The maximum amperage for the stop and turn light circuits is 6 amps per circuit. For the tail light circuit is 3 amps. It does come with everything shown here on the table. And then just quickly how this would install, you'll go to the rear of your vehicle again, to rear cargo area, gain access to the tail lights, and you want to start on the driver's side and take the T-connector that has the yellow wire in it, that's for the driver's side, unplug the harness from your tail lights, plug this in between there. Again, you have your white wire with the eyelet on it, connect that to a good clean ground if there's one nearby. If not, they do include a grounding screw, make your own ground. Take your other T-connector with the green wire, the length of green wire. This will run over to the passenger side. Do the same thing. Plug this in behind the tail light on the passenger side. Now this converter box, you do want to attach that to a good flat surface so it doesn't bounce around. So they do include a piece of double-face tape you can use, or even one of the cable ties you can use to attach it down. Once that's all done, run your bonded wire with the 4-way out the back towards the trailer. And then your last connection is this black wire. That's your power wire. This will run to the front of the vehicle, connect to the vehicle's battery, and they give you this length of wire to do that and some butt connectors. So put a butt connector on one end, connect it to that length of wire, run it all the way up to the front. When you get to the front, you take the other end. You don't want to connect this directly to the battery. You want to first run it through this inline fuse holder. So if you take your other butt connector, connect it to one side of the fuse holder, just like that. And then on the other side, take your eyelet connector and connect that, and then that's what will connect to your vehicle's battery. Once that's all connected, pop it open. They include this 10 amp fuse. Put it into your fuse holder. Put your cap on there, and your system will be all ready to go. Now they do give you some extra cable ties to take up any slack in the wiring, and they do give you a nice set of detailed instructions that will describe how to install it and even give you pictures of your connections. But that should do it for the review on the Curt T-connector vehicle wiring harness with the 4-way flat trailer connector.